Hello traders! In this video, I will continue discussing Forex trading using the Golden Elephant Expert Advisor. The pairs I am running are Gold UST and EURO USD, and this is part 4 of the video series. If you are interested in this Expert Advisor, you can check out parts 1 to 3. Let's support the Cheat Trade channel by subscribing below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, let's continue. I am running the Golden Elephant EA on the MetaTrader 4 terminal. I changed the preset in the first option parameter, and you can see the settings I am using here. I will also reset to see the differences in the settings. The time frame I am using is M5. I started trading on March 22, 2023, and as of the making of this video on April 18, 2023, this is the result of my 1-month trading using the Golden Elephant Expert Advisor. From a $500 capital, I gained a profit of $634.38 with a drawdown of 20.92%. The average monthly profit is 126.88%, and the average daily income is 3.2%. The total profit generated during this month is 126.88%. You can also see the profit growth on this chart. The profit on the first day was $64.86 on March 23, and it has been steadily growing since then. Advanced statistics information shows an average trading duration of 1 hour and 24 minutes, with a profit factor of 2.23. There were a total of 836 trades in 1 month, with a profit of 489 trades, or around 58%. For trading activity, I am currently experiencing a floating loss of $57.20. Monthly analytics show the profits for March and April. You can visit the website trade-e.com to get the Golden Elephant Expert Advisor and the presets that I am using. Yes, for now, I am still giving this away for free, so what are you waiting for? Visit the website now. To run this Expert Advisor, you need to use a VPS with very low latency specifications, so that open position orders can be executed quickly. I recommend trying VPS from VXVM, and if you are interested, you can try a free VPS trial. I have provided the registration link in the video description. For broker recommendations, I have also listed some in the video description. Please note that Expert Advisors are not a guarantee of profits, but by choosing the appropriate EA and following good risk management rules, you can increase your chances of profit in Forex trading. I wish you success. Thank you for watching until the end.